Music. Is Belay the freelancer platform for you? Let's dive into a detailed review. Belay connects businesses with US-based virtual assistants, bookkeepers, social media strategists, and other remote experts. Find links to Belay and related resources below. Belay is a premium service designed for entrepreneurs, small business owners, and executives needing expert help. Unlike typical platforms, Belay carefully matches clients with professionals who fit their specific needs. Services include virtual assistants, bookkeeping, social media management, and even web specialists. It's a one-stop shop for various business needs. Belay's rigorous hiring process thoroughly vets each freelancer, ensuring you work with experienced professionals. This prioritizes reliability and expertise over cost. Belay also assigns a dedicated account manager for seamless onboarding and a smooth client-freelancer relationship. Pricing is customized based on service type and hours, offering flexibility for different businesses. While premium, the pricing reflects the quality and professionalism you receive. Delegating critical tasks to qualified experts offers valuable peace of mind. Belay is best for those wanting a dependable partner for essential functions like admin, finance, or online presence. It's perfect for professionals lacking time or resources for in-house staff, but who need top-tier support. In short, Belay is a premium solution for businesses seeking high-quality US-based remote talent. Ready to boost productivity and focus on your strengths? Check out the links below to learn more and get started with Belay today.